Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gauri Guglani and I am currently working as technology analyst in Deloitte, USA, and I am making this video to help you all for the off-campus journey that you're going to take for coming months because the placement season is going to begin soon, and along with your campus placements you also need to start finding for off-campus because many people don't expect much from their college and they expect something more and they think that they can deserve better, so they start applying off campus also. So I was also one of them. I thought that I can do better and I can search a good company and a good role for myself through off campus, so I did that. And in this video I'm going to explain you how I did and how I got many shortlisting mails from good MNCs and good companies, just being a BSc graduate. So I thought that it would be a barrier for me as I'm a BSc student to apply for different roles and different companies, but it was not the case as I was having accurate skills within me and I was having good experience in the sense through internships and project work. So I got good shortlisting mails. So let's begin with the video and I'll tell you how I did and how you can also do the same. Very important, the first step towards the off-campus journey is applying through company portal. Yeah, that's a very underrated step, but you need to note down that these steps help a lot for getting you shortlisting mails and helping you to process your procedure further. And I personally think that people assume that if they apply through company portal, the career sites, they won't get a reply because there are lakhs and lakhs of applicants. Yes, that's true. There are various and many applicants who apply through career sites, but if you have that particular skills for that particular role, then of course you will get a shortlisting mail and your resume will of course get shortlisted if everything is perfect. So you don't need to worry about that. In my personal experience also, I got shortlisting mails from Amazon for the role of SDE1 and from Morgan Stanley for the role of Java developer, and various other companies I got mails and I also got offer letters from them, but also a few got rejected, no doubt. And finally I chose to go in Deloitte USA, and so it is very crucial that if you're planning for off-campus, then do apply through company portals also, through the career sites. So it's very simple. If you suppose you're going to plan for Google, so for SD1, just go to Google and search Google career site. So the first link will be of Google careers, and then you can click and find a job which is appropriate for your position. And this was the first step, which is important. You must follow that. So my second important point in this step is other sites. So except the company portals, there are other various sites which help you in grabbing good job opportunities, and I'm specifically talking about two main job apps or websites which helped me a lot. So the first one is Naukri.com, second is AngelList. So Naukri.com is very old website which helps people to get job. So here you will get from entry level to seniority level jobs and according to the roles which you're looking for. So it's amazing website. I applied here heavily and I got many calls and got too much of good response from this website, and I feel it worked for me and you must try and maybe it will work for you too. The second one is AngelList. So this is basically here all the startup companies are listed, mainly what I have witnessed. So yeah, there are good companies listed here which offer you good salaries also and good roles also. Mostly here the listed companies are startup companies and they just need skills. They don't care about your degree. They just want a person to get their work done and that's it. So I also applied here much and I got good overwhelming responses from this site also. So applying to as many as jobs will help you to gain confidence because after all, if you're applying to 20, at least you will get call from 5 or 4. So at least getting calls will help you to give their interviews and attend their meetings and interview, that how exactly interviews are being placed, so you can get experience in day by day and giving interviews by interviews, your confidence will increase a lot. So this was the second step for your off-campus journey. So last but not least comes the final step of the off-campus journey, which is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a huge platform where you can get a lot of opportunities in terms of jobs and placements. So the first section is job section. If you open the app or website LinkedIn, you can see in the bottom right hand side there is a button called jobs. When you click that, you can see the roles and the location. So whichever role you're interested to work in, you can enter along with the location where you want to work. The second option in LinkedIn is you go to the search bar and put hashtag hiring or HR recruiting, or even suppose you're looking for data science role, hashtag data science recruiting. So in this way you can find many posts where people and recruiters have posted that we are looking for candidates for such qualities and such skills. If you do have, then mail a resume on that given email ID. This is a very good option. This really helps a lot because when HR recruiters post that we are looking for such kind of people, then you are in direct contact with them. The other option in LinkedIn you can do is you can ask any of your friend for the referral. So suppose if I'm planning to go to the A company and my friend is working in that A company, so what I will do is I will ask my friend, I will send and share a job ID with him, and I will tell that I am aiming to go for this role in this A company and I need your help in terms of referral. So, and I can see that this is a job opening in the career side. If you can please refer me, then it will be of a great help. So I too did this and I got help from various friends. So it's a good idea and a good method to ask for a referral and to get a job through off campus, because it will help your resume to distinguish from others, as mostly many people will apply together. So there will be a list of resume who are referred resume from the employees who are already working there. So your resume will get a higher priority because as it's a referral resume. So it's better if you get a chance to take a referral from any of your friends, then do take it, because this will help in your off-campus journey to make it more light and smooth. So do try these methods. So yeah, I'm making it too short. So 4 things which we can get from LinkedIn is the job section, which is already a small section in the LinkedIn. Second is the post which recruiters do. Third is connecting with HRs. Fourth is asking a referral from your friend. So these were the steps which we can get from LinkedIn for getting a job. And also the other sites are there and company portals are already there, as I told previously. So I hope this video will be helpful for your off-campus journey. Hope this gives an add-on to your knowledge and you get to implement these steps and get a good job. You take care. All the best for your off-campus journey. I hope you do amazing.